Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and this is a short guided loving kindness meditation for when you maybe are feeling a little overwhelmed by the world, and if you just need to take some time out and reconnect with yourself and share and promote peace and love all around. So come to a comfortable place. You can also do this lying down, but if you can sit up, I'd advise doing so your spine is nice and tall, but feel free to come and sit up on a cushion or two or three and get yourself comfortable. Bring your left hand in front of your body, bring your right hand inside of the left, and bring your thumbs together for this mudra to help us connect to our breath. Soften your shoulders, soften your jaw, and when you're ready, gently closing your eyes. Draw your awareness to your breath and the movement of your body as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And draw your awareness to the space around your heart. Visualize or imagine or feel the beat of your heart. And slowly picture yourself, see yourself sitting here in your space. And say to yourself, may I be free from pain. May I be free from suffering. May I be happy. Repeating 3 times to yourself. May I be free from pain. May I be free from suffering. May I be happy. May I be free from pain. May I be free from suffering. May I be happy. Holding whatever emotions or feelings that come up in this area of your chest, of your heart. As we bring to our awareness the images, the faces of the people that we love, our friends, our family, our children, our neighbors perhaps, and saying to them, may you be free from pain. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy. And holding whatever emotions and feelings that you're experiencing in this moment within your heart space, in the area around your chest. As you slowly bring into mind the images of people that you don't know, of people that may be far away from you, within your country, your neighboring country, a country far away, maybe a country on the other side of the world. Picturing people and saying, bringing us all together, may we be free from pain. May we be free from suffering. May we be happy. May we be free from pain. May we be free from suffering. May we be happy. May we be free from pain. May we be free from suffering. May we be happy. And whatever feelings, emotions that you're experiencing right now, hold them in your heart, hold them in your chest. And see if you can reconnect to your heartbeat. Imagine or visualize if you can't feel it. And you can remain sitting here for as long as you like. When you're ready to come back, gently bring your hands together in front of your heart. Take a big breath in through the nose. And as you exhale, bow your head to your hands. When you're ready, gently opening your eyes. And thank you for sharing this practice today. Repeat as many times as you like, and know that by taking care of yourself, by sending this love from deep within, we will be helping those around us. See you soon.